Just cleaning. Wow, what's up?
We should go out to eat.
We should go out to eat. No, I'm straight. Girl, we got food at the house.
Man, come on. Let's go out to eat.
No, I'm straight. I'm good.
Come on. Guess who's going to be out there?
Who gonna be out there?
Girl, Tyler.
Tyler who?
You know Tyler, girl.
Tyler, Chocolate Tyler?
Yes, girl.
Producer and writer Tyler, doctor in health, gifted and well, God feared 6'1", has his own spot right in the Lambo, Tyler.
Tyler, girl.
Girl, you know I'm gonna be there. All right, I'll see you there. Send me the address, okay? Send me the location, okay? All right, see you.
Bye.
Yes, dear. What's good, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry if the lighting is kind of off. The sun is setting, and usually when I try to record when the sun is out because yeah, you get the perfect lighting when the sun's out. But guys, as you guys can tell from the title and as you guys can tell from the little sitcom, I will be introducing to you all the Luvme Body Wave High Density Affordable Headband Wig, and you can get a free headband. So I'm gonna put the link down in the description box on the exact wig that I have on my head. This is obviously a 16-inch. If you guys are looking for a cute and easy wig to put on, definitely I will recommend a headband wig. As I mentioned before, I was not a fan of headband wigs, but when they shipped this out to me, Luvme Hair obviously shipped out to me a headband wig just to do a review, see if I like it, and of course if I like it, I'm going to share with you guys. And I love Luvme Hair Company, period, because Luvme Hair quality is the bomb, and I'm not just saying it because they reached out to me. I legitimately love Luvme Hair Company, like, period. I love their texture of their wig. Their wig can obviously last for months. You guys can see previous videos from the past that I've made, and I would have their wigs for months. Like, if I want a wig that's gonna last, I'm gonna go to Luvme Hair. With this headband wig, of course, it's easy if you need something quick, especially if you're on the go, if you have to go to work, if you're going on a date, or whatever the case may be, courting, whatever it may be. Guys, a headband wig is the wig to go to because it's so easy. Literally, you just have to throw on the wig, just do your edges. I don't know if my edges still laid, but we gonna ignore that for now. But just do your edges and just go. And what I love about this is that you don't have to use glue, because many times, like, don't get me wrong, like lace frontals, lace front, they're cute and all, but literally I don't like the fact how sometimes it can pull off your edges. But with the headband wig, you don't have to have any of your hair out. The only hair you need to have out is just your baby hair. And if you don't have baby hair, your adult hair, and you can do whatever you want to do. Swoop your adult hair, or just, you know, cut your adult hair like I do. And yeah, and you got your edges right there. So I love it, guys. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I will show you guys exactly what came in the box. Everything came in the box, and everything you need. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, guess what? Guess what, guys? So they have shared with me a discount code that I can share with you all, a 20% discount code using the discount Belinda. Using Belinda, you can get 20% off your purchase. So who don't like a good discount? Who don't want a discount? I know I love discounts. So I hope this video was able to help someone. And if anyone had like some concerns or were like, oh, I don't know if I really want a headband wig, honey, go ahead and grab you a headband wig. Can't do you wrong. And again, I cannot leave my videos without leaving words of encouragement. I just wanted to share with you guys. Y'all already know. I love you. Stay strong. Keep your head up. And whatever situation you're facing at this very moment, believe me when I say it is not the end. Joy cometh in the morning. Yes, you may have your weep and your sorrows at night, but keep pushing. And no matter how hard it may seem, if the light is dimming, if the road just seems tough, push, and continue to pray. Push until something happens. Don't give up. Trust in the Lord. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.
Let's go out and eat.
No, I'm straight.
Man, come on.
No, why? Girl, I got food at the house.
Girl, guess who's gonna be out there?
Who?
Tyler.
Tyler who?
Girl, you know skinny tall Tyler that used to go to high school with us.
Well, I don't date no skinny man, so you need to do it again. Okay? Did nobody tell you to get a description of Tyler? I'm giving me the description.